Let me describe what a normal Tuesday looks like for businesses who are starting to actually understand AI. You wake up and the inquiry that came in at 11:42 last night already has a response waiting in the client's inbox. The lead was tagged, organized, and added to your pipeline automatically while you were sleeping. Your follow-up sequence already started. Your social content for this week was already scheduled. Your onboarding emails went out. Your team already knows the next steps, and you haven't touched any of it. Not because you hired a massive team, not because you're working 18-hour days. It's because AI is quietly becoming the operational layer under modern wedding businesses. And most wedding pros still think it's a caption generator. I'm Brandee, and after helping hundreds of wedding pros scale a profitable wedding business, I can tell you this: the gap between businesses using AI strategically and those ignoring it is about to become very, very large. In this episode, I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like in actual practice, how we're using it inside of Wedding Pro CEO, and why this shift is happening a lot faster than most people realize. Before we started using AI, my business looked like having a running to-do list that I never seemed to get to the end of. And I'm sure you can resonate with that because so many of the wedding pros inside of our programs tell us the same thing. You know that you have to get to these things. You know they need to get done. Follow-ups are a massive piece of that. You're so busy with client work. You're so busy with the Slacks and the emails and the things that people are asking you that you never actually get to the things that make you money because you're so busy manually responding to every email, every text, every Slack. You're manually creating new content. You're manually asking your chat GPT how to respond to something or to write an Instagram caption for you. The old way of running a business had you as the business owner still tied to so many of the tasks because your automations work, but they're not you. Let's talk about the difference between a CRM that automates many of the things in your business and AI doing many of the things in your business. Most of us ran our businesses or do run our businesses using a CRM that has great automations built in. Dubsado, Honeybook, 17 Hats, all of them automate your first reply and can also automate a funnel that you create once generically to speak to everyone, and then you have to personally get involved. So what does that look like in the way we currently run our business? An inquiry comes in, an automated response goes out with your pricing guide, maybe a little bit about you, and a link to book a call. And then they reply and they ask a question. Can my dog walk down the aisle with me? Do you have a bridal suite? Do you bring a second shooter to the wedding? All of those things require you as the business owner to actually follow up. They may also ask a question as simple as, have you ever shot at my venue? Have you ever worked at my venue? And that again requires you in the current way you run your business to reply because your automations don't cover have you ever or does this apply to me? The automations don't work, so you have to personally get involved. And that requires you to sit down at your computer and actually draft a response and have that conversation. The new way of doing business is that we've built the foundation into your foundation file, and your AI knows what you offer. It knows where you've worked. It knows your pricing and how many hours and whether you bring an assistant and what kind of equipment that you use. So before you even wake up in the morning, your AI has a drafted response waiting for you to make sure it's right and then hit send. All you have to do is hit send. And that's the magic. That's the difference between using a CRM with automations and using an AI to accomplish the same things, but at a much greater efficiency rate. None of this is magic. None of this is a magic wand that just comes in and fixes your entire business. It's intentionally built systems that run behind what you already do. So you already get inquiries coming in. You already know how you want to reply to them. We build an AI system, an agent, or what we like to call mini AI employees that run behind your humans to actually draft crafted responses that go out to that client inquiry before you ever even woke up. We draft intentionally created agents or employees, systems that run behind your marketing, that take what you already say in your consultations, your planning meetings, things that you talk about every day with your team, and they turn it into content. We take intentionally designed agents that help you write SOPs or create task lists and to-dos from your team meetings so that those notes that someone took don't just get filed in a Google Drive somewhere and then everyone forgot to actually do the to-dos that you requested from your team meetings. The systems we're building for you inside of your wedding business make all of the humans run so much more efficiently and actually get things done instead of getting busy and forgetting forgetting the things that are most important to growing your business. These systems run without you because we've built them intentionally based on what you already do in your business. So we first want to audit. What is it that you do manually all the time? You personally, or a human on your team that you have to do every single day or every single week that honestly just takes time. You either don't like doing it or you're not great at doing it, or it's just a time suck. What are those things? You have to do that audit first. And then we're gonna teach the AI how to do it. We're gonna say, an inquiry comes in, this is what we wanna send first, this is what we wanna send next. We want it to be based on where they're getting married and the date. We want you to check the availability on our calendar first to make sure we're available before giving this response. If we're not available, this is the response that we want you to give. These are all things that we can train your AI to do so that you don't actually have to step in. Let's take the before and after of just creating a week of content in your wedding business. This is by far one of the hardest things for wedding business owners. When they come into the program, they're like, I don't know what kind of content to create. I feel like I just stare at a blank screen. I'm not sure what to film. So what happens now is you wake up on Monday morning, you know you're supposed to post because I told you you're supposed to, right? Post consistently, post consistently. You know you need to create for that week, but what do you create? What do you need to say? What is it that you actually are gonna say that's gonna draw in your ideal customer? And to be honest, I think if you're anything like me, staring at a blank screen doesn't exactly invoke creativity. I feel like I don't even know anything about my business when I'm staring at that blank screen. I don't know what I would say to someone, but here's the new way. You already say it every day in the interactions that you have with your clients, with your vendors, and with your team. We're gonna take that content that you already say every day, every week inside your business, and we're gonna have the AI generate strategic content that sounds like you, because it's from you, it's taking your calls, it's hearing your words. It's gonna create that content for you. You're gonna be able to review it and just hit post because it's gonna already sound like you. It's gonna bring in more clients that are just like the ones that you've already booked. That's the really cool thing about it, is that instead of you having to sit there and say, AI, help me create 3 posts for this week, you're not gonna have to do that. It's already gonna be landed in your inbox, ready for your review every single Monday. And that's what we're creating inside of the AI programs that we're teaching at Wedding Pro CEO. When you're starting to use AI as an employee inside your business versus just a tool, the first thing that has to change is you have to stop thinking about AI like Google. And we all have this thing called Google brain, where you treat it like a search engine. You treat it like I have to sit down at my computer, log in, and prompt it to do what I want it to do. The new way of using AI is we build that foundation, and then we understand every manual thing we do inside of our business, and we build an employee inside of AI that can do that for us without us prompting it to do it on a scheduled system, so that it's there waiting for us to approve. There are 2 different ways of thinking about AI, and it's so important that you understand that AI is no longer something you have to prompt in order for it to do something. You tell it once and it's gonna do it until you tell it to stop. The caution here is you don't wanna automate everything in your business at once, because having the AI understand you and ask you questions and really see where it's not quite getting it right is so imperative for building. I like to think about it kind of like building a snowman. You can't just put the whole thing together at once. You have to roll up that first ball and make sure it's perfect and stable before you put the next one on. That's so that you build that foundation first. So we pick one system that's essential to the growth of our business, but honestly is the biggest time suck for you. For so many wedding pros, that's marketing, because it takes up so much time. It's really a drain on your energy, but it's essential to growing the leads that are coming into your business and getting the best leads to come in. So we typically like to start with marketing, but I would encourage you to audit first. What is that system for you? What is the one thing that sucks your time but is essential to the growth of your business? And how can we use AI to build an employee behind the scenes that can actually do most of that work for you? Having system-driven support like your AI employees running behind the scenes of your business frees you up so much to vision cast, to still be that big thinker in your business, to say, this is where I want to go, this is what I want to do, and for the AI to come behind you and help put processes to that, to create the logistics behind those ideas and how they're actually going to get to happen. One of my favorite things that AI can do for a CEO to free up your time and to actually help you understand what's going on in your business is to take the reports that your bookkeeper gives you every single month that sit in your inbox that you do nothing with because you don't know how to read them. I instead want to build an agent that I can feed those reports into every month, and that's going to speak to me like I'm in 5th grade and tell me what's actually happening financially in my business. What of my packages are most profitable? Where are we overspending on labor? How much cash flow do I actually have coming in? Are there any months coming up that I need to be concerned about because we're not going to have enough cash? These are all things that we need to know in our business. And as CEOs, honestly, sometimes keep us up at night because you should know it, but the daunting task of reading those reports and understanding them, it's just not there, and you have more busy, important things to do, so you let it go. But these systems, these agents that you can create behind the scenes are actually helping you to understand what's going on in your business even better. And as a CEO, that's essential to the growth and scalability of your business. The systems take you as the CEO out of the bottleneck. How frustrating is it when one of your team members comes to you and they're ready for you to give them some ideas of what to post on social media next week, or they have a list of ideas, but they're not quite right, and you need to tweak them, but you just aren't getting around to it. So next week content doesn't actually ever go out because it sat on your desk. AI is the system that runs behind you that helps you to avoid being that bottleneck because you now have a system that's helping you to create that content. Or your team member can even feed the content in, and we can create a skill that actually reviews the content for them and points out things that you would normally catch, like that it didn't tag the right vendors, or maybe it said a word or used an emoji that you would never use in your content. These are things that we teach your AI to catch so that your team member is able to feed it there instead of having to come to you. It sit on your desk and it never got done. You may be listening to this and thinking, I already use AI and it works fine enough for me. And that's what I would describe as being a tool user. And there's nothing wrong with that, but it's not actually creating the efficiency and the scalability in your business that AI has the power to do. If you are still using AI as you have to sit down and ask it to do something, prompt it to do something, you're not using it as an actual system behind your business. The system we're intentionally building for wedding pros runs without you. We build the foundation, we feed into it every single week, and then it runs. It gets to know us better. It understands us better and what we need before we even know it. That's the difference between a tool user and someone who's actually using an AI system underneath their business to create this engine that makes them so much better at what they already do. What's been really fun to see is this transformation happens so quickly because once you actually see the power that comes from having AI employees run underneath the humans in your business, you're almost shocked at how you didn't know about this sooner and how you ever ran your business without it. Because the AI agents that run underneath your humans are doing so many things that you wish you could get to in a week that now are already done and waiting for you to just hit approve or post. And so now you start thinking, what else can I put in my AI agent? What other skills can I build? What other employees can run for me? And so you pick it up so quick. And I've loved getting to see wedding pros learn these skills and say, wait a second, so it can do this? What if it can do this, this, and this? That's the fun of it. You're actually moving so much faster once you understand what the system can look like. In the next 90 days, you can have AI employees in every section of your business. And this is what we're teaching inside of Wedding Pro CEO, how to have systematized agents or employees that run in your marketing, your sales, your financials, and your profit, in your leadership, and in your CEO mindset. That's exactly what we're building, is that system in every single stage, so that in the next 90 days, your business runs at a completely different level that you never even knew was possible. Now is the time to start doing this because AI is changing so rapidly. So understanding it at this foundational level is going to put you leaps ahead of the people in your market who either aren't going to use AI at all because they think AI is cheating, or they're just going to dabble with it. They're just going to stay a tool user. This will change the way that you are able to operate because you're going to be able to deliver a different kind of client experience. You're going to be able to answer personal emails so much more quickly. Your content that's going out is going to speak directly to the ideal customers that you want to reach because it knows who those are. So you're just going to simply be operating at a completely different stratosphere than your competition. So now is the time to understand it, and now is the time to become a system user versus just a tool user. Inside of Wedding Pro CEO, we're teaching wedding pros exactly how to build out the OS that will run your business, the new engine in this next era that's actually going to power your wedding business. Inside of your AI-powered wedding business, we're teaching you what AI can do and how to use it. We're also going to be building the employees right alongside you that will operate your business. So you will have employees that run in your marketing, your sales, your profitability, your leadership, and your CEO mindset. We're going to be building that OS, that system with you inside of the program live for 7 full weeks. So head over to weddingproceo.com/AI to learn more about how we're teaching wedding pros to build this engine behind them and to grab your seat in the 7-week program, Your AI-Powered Wedding Business, and join us as we take the wedding industry into this new era of how to run an AI-powered wedding business. I cannot wait to see you there. No, hang on. Tagged. I have to scroll. Engine. No.